خوێنکارانی ئەزیز باسی مایتۆسیسمان کرد بە تەواوەتی و پێشتر ئێمە فێر بووین وتمان مایتۆسیس دیڤیژنی نوکلیەسە و وتبوومان دیسانەوە ئەیڵێنەوە for a eukaryotic cell to divide two things should divide first nucleus then cytoplasm بۆ ئەوەی eukaryotic cellێک divide ببێ دابەش ببێ دووشت ئەبێ دابەش ببن یەکەمیان nucleus بوو ئەو وتمان mitosis is the division of nucleus we are done with it دووەم شت چییە؟ دووەم شت cytoplasmە باشە؟ پرۆسەی cytoplasm division پێوترێت چی؟ پێوترێت cytokinesis باشە؟ ئێمە لەبەرەوەی ستراکچەری animal cell لەگەڵ ستراکچەری plant cell جیاوازن بۆیە divisionی cytoplasmەکەشیان جیاوازە باشە؟ یەکەم جار باسی divisionی cytoplasm بکەین لە چی؟ cytokinesis باس بکەین لە animal cell باشە؟ طبعا cytokinesis happens toward the end of telophase ئەوە نییە بڵێ بە تەواوەتی mitosis will stop then cytokinesis starts not like this وەکو خۆتانی بینن ئەم ڕەسمەی لە بەرچاومانە چییە؟ ئەوەی کە لە بەرچاومانە هەمان شتەکە لە ستەیجی چوارەمی مایتۆسیسا لە تیلۆفەیسا هەمانە so we can say toward the ends of telophase cytokinesis starts باشە؟ لە animal cell بەچی دروست ئەبێت؟ لە animal cell divisionی cytoplasm it happens by something we call it cleavage furrow. What's cleavage furrow? As you can see guys, the cell membrane of the animal cell. The cell membrane of the animal cell starts to do what? Starts to pinch inward. Okay? The cell membrane of the dividing cell starts to pinch inward. Okay? And when it is pinching inward, as you can see, it will do what? It will separate the cytoplasm under cell membrane. What was the organization of the cell? We said the outermost layer is cell membrane and under it we are having cytoplasm and inside it we are having cytosol. So, because cytoplasm is a jelly-like matter, when the cell membrane will pinch, what will happen to the cytoplasm beneath it? It will separate. So this pinched area of the cell membrane is named as what? Is named as cleavage furrow. So we can say in animal cell cytokinesis happens by pinching inward of the cell membrane results in what? Results in formation of a pinched area which we call it cleavage furrow. That's all about division of cytoplasm in what? Division of cytoplasm in animal cell. Let's go to division of cytoplasm in plant cells. Guys, as you know, وەکو ئەزانن plant cell structure وەکو animal cell نییە. What's the outermost layer of plant cell? It is cell wall. And as we studied before, cell wall is a tough, rigid, hard structure. Can we pinch it? Does it have any elasticity? No, it is a tough, rigid structure. For that, instead of pinching of the cell wall to separate cytoplasm or to divide cytoplasm, instead we are adding one more part of the cell wall. Okay? instead of pinching, because we cannot pinch cell wall, it is tough, it is rigid. Instead, we are adding another part of cell wall in the middle of the dividing cell, okay? And that additional part, which is coming inside just to separate cytoplasm, which is the purpose is only to separate cytoplasm, and then it will disappear, or it will divide and go the divided cells with the separated cells, is called what? Is called cell plate, okay? That part of cell wall, which will be reformed in midline of the dividing cell of plant cell, not animal cell. Do not confuse, okay? It's named as cell plate, and the purpose is to do what? The purpose is to divide the cell. This structure is cell plate. So, in plant cells, cytokinesis or division of cytoplasm is done by what? Done by forming another part of cell wall, which is called what? Which is called cell plate. That's all about the cytokinesis of both animal and plant cell. And at the end of cytokinesis, guys, at the end of cytokinesis, the two newly formed cells or the separated cells are having what? Each of them are having one half of the cell cytoplasm. Which cell? The parent cell or the original cell. And mostly they are equal in size, okay? And as we studied in mitosis, they are having equal number of chromosomes, and they are having identical copies of the chromosomes.